Class 9 CBSE Lines and Angles chapter exercise 6.2 question number 6. According to this question, two mirrors, parallel mirrors PQ and RS, they are placed in parallelly, and AB is the incident ray for PQ mirror and BC is the reflected ray. Okay, and this BC strike again on the mirror RS and reflected back as CD. Okay, so given we have mentioned PQ parallel to RS, and for PQ mirror AB is the incident ray and BC is the reflected ray, and for RS mirror BC is the incident ray and CD is the reflected ray. Now prove that. So what we have to prove, that is AB parallel to this AB incident ray and the last reflected ray, that is the CD, they are parallel. That we have to prove. So for that we are doing the construction that we draw the normal to the mirror PQ, that is BM, so that is perpendicular to PQ, and normal CN on the mirror RS. So this is also perpendicular to RS. So that we have mentioned. Now in proof we write that as we know that incident ray means angle of incidence equals to angle of reflection. So for PQ mirror, angle of incidence equals to angle of reflection, and that is angle ABM equals to angle MBC, and that can be, we have assumed that is X. ABM and MBC, that is XX, because they are equal, so X equals to X. Okay, and similarly here also angle of incident equals to angle of reflection, so they are also equal, so that we can take as equation 1, and second one, that is angle for a mirror for mirror RS, angle BCN equals to angle NCS or Y equals to Y. Okay, so BCN equals to NCD. Okay, NCD, and that is Y we can take. So this is equation 2. Now we will add them. So if we take the twice of this, now since PQ and RS, they are parallel to each other. Okay, so if we draw the normal, so they are making 90 degree. Clear? So obviously they are also parallel to each other. Clear? So this will act as the transversal. Okay, so for MBCN, so they are parallel and BC will be transversal. Okay, so that we will write, since PQ parallel to RS, so we can write therefore BM parallel to CN. Okay, so BM parallel to CN. So if they are parallel, then alternate interior angles are equal, and therefore angle X equals to angle Y. Now if we take twice of that, then twice of angle x equals to twice of angle y, and twice of angle x represent ABC. Clear? So angle, that is ABC, angle ABC equals to angle, see the diagram, twice of x is ABC and twice of y is BCD. So that is BCD. So they are equal. So since ABC equals to BCD, clear? So that's why, and since again converse of that ki if alternate interior angles are equal, then lines will be parallel, and which line? That is AB parallel to CD, because BC will be the transversal there. Okay, so AB parallel to CD. So AB therefore CD, and that is proved.